Hey everybody, this is Mike Shung here, and today I set up another merchant on the ProcessAway credit card terminal for the iPhone. So I figured I'd shoot a quick video and show you how it works. Now what you'll see is the first thing it'll prompt you to do is set up your security PIN, so you have a little bit of security on your merchant account, so only you or obviously somebody with your code will have access to your merchant account here. But here is the user interface. It's actually pretty sweet. It's really easy to use. And I'll process a dummy transaction here together with you. Okay. Let's see, expiration date, the amount, CVV number, which is that 3-digit code, back of your card, and of course your billing zip code. Now, of course, you want to confirm that information, and then you can enter in your client email address. You can set up automatic recurring billing if you need to be put on a payment schedule. So if it's once a month, once every 6 months, whatever it may be, you can set that up. From here, you can enter in all of your customer information and your order information, and store it all into database there. If you're shipping your products, you can also enter your shipping information and save that for future reference as well. Now if you are a professional that accepts gratuity, you can set that up really easily here. So for hairstylists or other professionals of that nature, it's really handy. And then AVS actually stands for Address Verification Service. So when you're doing that, entering in the street address, you're having a higher level of security on the transaction, and that actually translates into a slightly lower credit card rate for you. But anyway, moving on, double check that information, click submit. It'll ask you to confirm the transaction, and in a couple seconds you'll receive your authorization. Okay. And all of this information here will be filled in if you filled it out earlier where I was showing you. From there you can click on image and actually get a digital signature. There's my awesome signature here. Alright. If you have one of those pens like you've seen at the Apple Store, that'll actually work a little bit better, but this works as well. You'll save the image, and now you've got it all tracked. Click email, send off your email within your iPhone email application with the digital signature, and hit send, and you're good to go. And of course, because the iPhone is awesome, obviously right now I'm in the Ontario area, but that's where I'm processing the transaction. That was approved. And that's it. You can go back, it'll take you back to the home screen, and you can do it all over again. If you have any questions on how to get set up, feel free to give me a call. My email address is Mike, M-I-K-E, at occent.com. That's O-C-C-E-N-T. And you can also give me a ring at 949-999-6905. And there you go.